Hey everyone, Zach has acquired a rather unusual pet for us to take care of. And his name is Big Tex. So we put him to bed last night into his crate. Just right there. So now I'm going to see if I can find him. Tex, are you in here? I can see you breathing. Where's your head? There's part of him. There's his head. Okay, move, Sal. Sallie is forever curious. Anyway, so even though the enclosure looks empty, don't assume it is. Because I assure you, there is definitely a big Tex under there. Come on. Come on.
Come on out. Come on, join the fun.
Come on.
There we go.
Sallie, leave him alone. Here we have Tex getting to know his surroundings. Come on. Come on. Tex, where you going? Huh?